Hi kids, welcome to Goa Education Hub. So we are going to cover the last chapter of geography of Goa, that is industries, trade and transport. So as you know that industries are classified into large scale industry, medium scale industry and small scale cottage industry. Chapter number 5, Industries, Trade and Transport. Industries are units in which farm yields and natural produce are processed before they can be used by the people. Industries can be classified as large scale industry, medium scale industry, and small scale cottage industries. Goa has many industrial estates. All these estates have facilities like sheds, electricity supply, water supply, etc. provided by the government. Shares are available to the people who want to set up industries. We have industrial estates at Kollam, Old Goa, St. George the Ariel near Margao, Sakole near Kottalim, Karaswada near Mapsa, Betora near Ponda, etc. Exports from Goa. Goa produces a number of products. It exports iron ore. It also exports manganese ore, cashew nuts, cane fruit, salt, fish, coconuts, betul nuts, ready-made garments, etc. Imports into Goa. Goa buys various goods from other states as well as from the countries abroad. It imports machinery, trucks, cars, petroleum, kerosene, bicycles, watches, electronic equipments, food grains, vegetables, etc. Transport. Transport means carrying people and goods from one place to another. This is done by using different means and modes of transport. They are classified as roadways, railways, waterways and airways. So now let's see in details of the transport system of Goa. Roadways. Roads are classified as national highways, state roads, district roads and village roads. National highways are the important roads that connect one state with another. We have three main national highways. One is NH4A, second one is NH17 and the third one is NH17A. NH4A connects Penji and Balgam of Karnataka. NH17 starts in Mahad in Maharashtra, enters Goa through Patra Devi in north and goes till Kankona in the south. And last one, NH17A, is from Kottalim till Margao Harbour. Railways of Goa. Goa has two railway routes. From west to east is the South Central Railway, which is about 60 kilometers long. Its terminus is at Vasco da Gama. The Konkan Railway route runs in the north-south direction and is about 105 kilometers long. Its terminus is at Margao. Waterways. Most of the rivers in Goa can be used as waterways. Trawlers are used for fishing. Barges carry mineral ores through the river to Marmugao Harbour. Ferries are used to transport people across river. Marmugao Harbour. This port is situated in Margao Taluka. It is one of the best natural harbours in India. This port is safe from storms. It is open to ships throughout the year. Mineral ores and goods are exported from this port to other countries. Airways. The airport in Goa is at Dabolim. One part of the airport is used by the Indian Navy and is called INS Hansa. The other part is the commercial airport. Many airlines carry passengers and goods from Dabolim to other airports in India and abroad. So this was about the lesson Industries, Trade and Transport. So I hope you understand this lesson, Industries, Trade and Transport. If you have any questions and queries regarding this video, then please comment below. And you know the drill, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.